Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit or withdraw on MEXC Global. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your MEXC Global app on your phone and tap on this option of assets at the bottom right. Now this kind of interface gonna pop up right now. Over here, simply tap on this option of deposit given on top left. Now from over here, go to the search bar and type in the crypto that you would like to deposit. You will find this kind of interface which shows the address of that particular crypto wallet. All you gotta do is copy it, go to your external wallet, go to deposit transfer section, paste the particular address and choose the correct crypto and the network and transfer that directly to your MEXC Global. Other thing is that you can also choose to directly go buy it, the particular crypto, by using a debit or credit card, and that is also the way for you to deposit. Now let's go back. For that, you're gonna come back to your assets section and now tap on this option of withdrawal. Now over here, choose the crypto that you would like to withdraw. Once you're done, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, which includes the available and valuation on top, which shows the information right over here. You're going to choose a network on top. Now add in the withdrawal volume, how much you would like to withdraw. Go ahead, add the wallet label, and go ahead and enter the wallet address as well of your external wallet. Now add in the withdrawal instruction. That is totally optional. If you want to add, then you can, otherwise leave it, and tap on confirm. Then once you have confirmed it, your withdrawal will be successful. You can receive it on your external wallet and check it out as well. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.